Hi guys, welcome back to the Geterbrewed channel. So today we're going to look at 3 ways to make beer. The reason we're looking at 3 different ways is 3 different budgets, 3 different levels of knowledge, 3 different techniques. Whatever way you want to look at it, we have a solution for you. So homebrewing at a basic level with a beer kit, I would suggest that this is the correct setup. We have our own experimental beer kit range from Geterbrewed. They are the best beer kits in the world in our opinion. We use ultra premium light liquid malt extract, so it's an all malt kit. You're not looking to add sugar, you're not looking to add an enhancer. We use isomerized hop extract, which allows us to fine tune the bitterness levels of the beer. We provide you with innovative hop tea bag technology. It's the same quality hops that go to the best craft brewers in the world. And then ultra premium yeast from Lallemand, brewer strains of yeast. So this allows you to replicate really great quality beer kits at home. All you need to do with this kit is ensure that you're following good sterilization protocols and fermenting at an accurate temperature. We have give you all of the basic equipment that you need. All you need to do is collect the bottles. So you have the capper, the caps, the ingredients, you've got the hydrometer, the beer paddle, easy to follow instructions. We've also made little how-to videos on the channel to show you how to take you through that step by step. We're really proud of these beer kits, and we know lots of people are giving us positive feedback. It's something we always wanted to do, was to allow you to brew successfully and consistently at home. So that's one way of doing it. Entry budget level in this is super affordable and great quality kit that will last, and it's modular, so it will grow with you as you grow throughout your homebrewing journey. Next thing we want to look at is the Brew In A Bag setup. I'm really proud of how we have championed the Brew In A Bag method of brewing. We always want to push the boundaries. We always want to be a centre of knowledge. We want to be providing technical help. We want you at home to be brewing successfully and consistently, time and time again. It's the reason we want that is we love this industry and we love homebrewing. So Brew In A Bag is a stepping stone to all grain brewing with an all-in-one system. It's super cheap to get into. It allows you the equipment that will grow with you as you grow along your journey. So very basically, we provide you with a pico boiler. There is other companies out there just drilling a plastic boiler and putting a heating element into it. Whilst this is a plastic boiler with a heating element, it's CE certified and it's tried and tested. Stainless steel element, stainless steel locking nut. It's safe, good quality plastic, and allows you to bring water up to a temperature which allows you to then add your bag. Again, nylon bag, large enough to hold large grain bills, so then you add your grain and mash in the pico boiler. You remove the bag, bring the wort to a boil, add your hops at different stages, and then you add your immersion chiller and cool the wort down and transfer it over to your fermenter. So we provide the ingredient kits, and they come with the grain all weighed out, measured precisely, hops all vac sealed in protective environment proof resealable pouches. We have a Protafloc tablet and a yeast. It just it allows you to make really good quality beer at home with Brew In A Bag setup. So ease of use, speed of use, great value, and excellent stepping stone to all grain brewing, and at a great budget price. The next stage is all grain brewing. So we have a vast range of all-in-one brewing systems that allow you to make your own beer at home in probably in an advanced level. So programmable, touchscreen, digital control. It's got the ability to do recirculation during mash. It's got the ability to do step mashing, so you can lift up your grain basket and then sparge from above. The use of having a pump and that there can also be very helpful throughout the brew day. Immersion copper chiller is what we recommend with these. With the all grain brewing setups and with these basic setups, there's so many options for fermenters nowadays. Now we have the Geterbrewed 33 litre fermenters with the heat tolerant tap, bottle filling stick and things that we know make that brew day easy, and also help with you know, siphonless transferring and things like that there. So to give you an idea of where we're at with price, just over the £60 mark for this setup, in the ballpark of £150 for this setup, and the unit for this one is £350 in around that region. Now you'll need, we're currently doing a promotion with, we're giving away the chiller with this one. You will need a basic fermenter and ingredients with this to get going. The 3 ways of brewing: beer kits, brew in a bag, all grain brewing. Yes, there's more than 3 ways that you can make beer. These are 3 super kits that we're really proud of, that we know will deliver results for you at home. Like, we're going to be making more and more videos on this type of stuff, as we want to try and help the homebrew community progress and help you make beer easily at home. If you've liked this video, give us a like. And if you'd like to see more content, then don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the little bell, and then it'll let you know whenever we've released new videos. So thanks so much for watching today. Happy brewing.